this is Marco once again from Bisdak Unboxing Channel, and today mag-unbox na sa tawag bagong product, and that will be the Noku N57. Tanan part sa chair guys, gikan sa box. Unya sulod sa box natay usa ka headrest. Mesh type siya, same design all over. Unya plastic material, medyo lig-on siya ka plastic guys. Nasa tayo usa ka backrest, which is also mesh type. Nya nice pud siya design guys, kay mark na siya lines badil lang plain nga mesh. Unya ang iyang material is a very high quality plastic din siya guys. Medyo gaan siya for a chair. Yan, nasad tayo usa ka iyang lingkuran 100, which is also mesh type and plastic. Likod sa chair, na diri ang mga bolts at ni-install later. Natay duha ka armrest. Ang nakanindot sa armrest kay medyo sturdy siya. Lig-on kayo yung metal. I'm not sure if it's made of aluminum or stainless lang ni. Sa ihang armrest, kuan siya murag leather nga rubber. Medyo gahion siya. And nakanindot din yung armrest guys, kaya adjustable siya from sa iyang height. Adjustable sad siya sa front o back. And I think matilt man sad niyo siya side o. Matilt sad siya side. And then we have the starbase, which is made of aluminum. Natay mo niyang hydraulics sa chair. We also have the stock wheels, pero di na ako gamiton. 5 kabuok wheels para sa atong starbase. And then we have the base sa chair gib. Dito na ito ipato atong chair. I-attach na ito sa ato ang hydraulic dito sa ubos. And then mawasa niya ang mechanism to lift the chair o i-adjust ang iyahang kanang marag mo sandi ka ba. We also have the screws to assemble the chair and the different washers. Ug ang tools para pagtaod sa screw niya. And very good kay nag-include sila og duha ka gloves para mag-assemble later, dili mahugaw or atong hands. And in addition to that, I also purchased a different kind of wheels. These are the rubber casters. Ang nakanindot niya guys kay very smooth. Proven and tested na siya sa akong previous nga gaming chair. And then kani siya nga kaningang wheels kay good for all surfaces. May it be wood, cement, tiles, you name it. It's really smooth good guys, and it's very a good addition para sa kaning nga build. And without further ado, let's get into the assemble. Alright, na-assemble na natin itong chair guys, and there's only one thing that I can say. It's comfortable and sturdy. Starting with the headrest, we have a lot of adjustments here. You can adjust it up and down, and also up and down here according to your comfortability. Sa mesh, what's nice about it is that if you can see, not only the design is nice, nasa siya tiny holes where air can pass through. And simple lang yung design, nasa lines, unya nice po yung quality. Kay springy siya from top to bottom. Springy siya in a way nga dili kayo siya gahi sa ako ang lubot. But comfortable good siya. And I can't hear any unusual squeaks or any loose screws sa yaha. And sa armrest, although gahiun siya nga type sa armrest, comfortable man sad siya para sa ako murag right amount of comfort ra ba when I'm gaming or typing. What's nice about it is that we can also adjust the height up and down, side to side, and also front and back. Sa mechanism ubos, naatay adjustable nga kuandre para forward sa seat o para backward sa seat according to your preference po. On the other side, nasa tay adjustments for our height. If ganahan kag mas taas or ubos. And we can also adjust our recline. Mag-watch kag movies or ganahan lang ka mag-relax, you can do it like this and relax. If na kay work or you're gonna do something and you want to focus, then you can lock it in place 90 degrees. Sa material, when we go here sa iyahang starbase, it's really sturdy good ang iyahang aluminum. It's not like the cheaper ones, unlike any other chairs. And finally, as what I've mentioned before, the wheels that I bought, in addition to the chair, is very smooth. As you can see, I have a plywood flooring and it's still very smooth. It runs smooth. Even though I'm on the chair, it's still very smooth. And that is it. That sums up our unboxing and review of the Noku N57. This has been Marco from Bisdak Unboxing Channel. Peace out.